Yes, a pop-up drink stand can sell gallon-sized drinks, but only if it follows local health department rules for portion sizing, labeling, and safe holding temperatures, and only if the stand has the proper permits to sell beverages in bulk containers. Here's something most people do not think about. Selling a drink is not just about pouring liquid into a cup. Once you go above a certain size, like a gallon, health departments often treat that as a bulk food item, not a single serving. That means you may need extra labeling, like ingredients, allergy warnings, and how long the drink can safely sit out before it spoils. Many pop-up vendors do not realize that gallon-sized containers can also fall under different rules for food handling licenses compared to small cups, because the risk of bacteria growing over time is higher in a big container that is not being refrigerated. Another detail hardly anyone talks about is that some cities have separate zoning rules for pop-up stands versus permanent shops, so a rule that applies to a coffee shop might not apply to your cart at all. If you want to actually do this the right way, call your local health department directly and ask specifically about bulk beverage sales, not just general food vendor permits. One big mistake people make is assuming a basic food handler's permit covers everything, when in reality bulk drinks often need a separate approval, so always ask specifically about container size limits. Another common issue is temperature control, since gallon containers cool down or heat up much slower than small cups, which can create a food safety violation if you are not using proper insulated equipment, so invest in a good thermal jug with a built-in thermometer. Lastly, many new vendors forget about proper labeling laws, especially if the drink contains dairy, nuts, or caffeine, so keep a simple printed label on every large container listing ingredients and preparation time. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.